Continuing on from the new Fable 5 update from Claude, we discovered that we can feed Claude design plans and ask it to redesign the buildings in Revit from the plans. And so in this case, we used a very simple tiny home design and gave it the floor plan and the elevations. And you'll be able to see very quickly here that it was able to almost instantly recreate the design from the plans and the elevation and draft out in 3D the entire model. Here, it has taken over my computer to do its final roof iteration, which you can see Claude actually drafting the roof. It's not me, it's not my keyboard, not my mouse. This is all Claude, and you can see that by the red highlighted glow on my computer screen. So right now it's ultimately drafting and connecting the lines. It's figuring out the pitch, there it is. We're gonna check this out in 3D, there it is. And now it's choosing the roof type material that matches from the design. Unbelievable. Give it a shot, download the Geopogo MCP connector.